Hi everyone, this is Christian Koopman of Dream Chalet. I am here in Overona and I would like to show you a chalet that we can renovate. It is the chalet over there. Clearly it needs to be renovated, but it's a very nice position. I will quickly turn around the camera so you can see it a bit better. There we are. So that is the chalet that we can renovate. It's a very easy access. That is my car standing over there. It's a very calm place as well, with quite the impressive view over here. Over here, of course. There we go. Over here you can see properties we've been building. We constructed this one, that one over there, the little roof that you can see over there, the last couple of years. And part of the project is also this chalet that has been standing here for longer. Obviously, it is currently lived in year round, so it's completely habitable, as we say in French. Clearly it's dated and needs to be renovated, and you can make it into something like this. But mostly what's very nice is, of course, the position over here. All right, that's that. Check it out on dreamchalet.ch and contact me if you have any further questions.